In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar bushing on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 12mm socket, remove the bolts out of the sway bar bushing bracket. That one broke. Remove the bolt. Remove the bracket. And remove the bushing. Install the new bushing. Install the front part of the bracket first. It's going to hook onto the subframe. Pull the bracket over and get the bolt started. Don't fully snug this down yet until you get the front one installed. Get the front bolt started and snug it down. Finish snugging up the other nut. Torque the sway bar bracket bolts to 23 foot-pounds. And repeat this same process to install the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.